city of San Jose, I do hereby declare this an unlawful assembly. In the name of the people of the state of California, I command you to immediately disperse. This is Officer.
In fact, I'm standing in front of these officers because I asked them to not retaliate or act onto you. Back up! This is not what you want. We are not in Minneapolis. We are not in Texas. We are not in Philadelphia, New Jersey, Virginia. This is not that. We are San Jose. Show me how San Jose reacts. Back up!
Reacts with no retaliation.
Do
We're
not
doing it as
retaliate.
peacefully and respectful as possible.
Back
That is so disrespectful that it's not funny.
You want that peace?
You want to stand there? You can stand there all night because I have all night.
We got respect.
Over my freedom, I will stand here. This is supposed to be the land of free. I don't feel free. I don't feel free at all.
Hands up!
Hands up!
Hands up!
Hands up!
Get out of the street. You will be arrested.
Take a knee. Now y'all can take a knee.
Please.
Take a knee!
Take a knee.
Take a knee!
What the fuck? All right, what's up, man? You gonna take a knee?
I'm taking a knee with you. All right? I don't want you guys to get hurt. All right? I don't want to hurt you one at a time. Anything to happen to you.
I understand.
Yeah, but you guys can talk to all the other people that are throwing fireworks and all that crazy.
At least you
We
took a
stopped
knee,
it.
though.
We
At least
stopped
you
it.
took a knee.
We stopped it.
You seen us.
We
I know
stopped
you
it.
seen us. I know
You
you
know
seen
what?
us.
I know you guys are hurting. I know why you're hurting. I know everything that happened in Minneapolis. Okay, it was wrong. We don't disagree.
We know
with
it's
you.
not you guys, it's what we're not trying to take it out on you guys.
Bro, it's
We,
not
but we can't
everybody.
control everyone.
It's not
You know what I mean?
everybody.
So
It's not
stop,
everybody.
and if you don't stop, then hey, we can't stop you.
That's all we're trying to tell you.
That's
Stop doing
you.
shit.
But there's other lives at risk, and it's not just yours.
I know you see us. I know you see us pressing issues.
I came out here. I listened to you. I took a knee with you.
And we're being
And I
I
respect
want you
that.
guys
I
to do.
respect
I
that.
want you
Give me
guys to
another
do one
handshake.
thing.
I respect that.
I want you guys to do
took
one
a knee.
thing.
Out of all your friends, you took a knee.
I take it
You
because
took
they're
a
busy.
knee.
They're doing what
And
I'm
they
telling
won't
them
even
to
do it
okay?
still.
But
Y'all,
listen to me.
y'all some
If
assholes.
you guys want to help yourselves, you're gonna come out tomorrow. You're gonna come out Sunday.
Of
I
We're
wanna
always
see you
gonna
tomorrow.
come out until it's
I
right.
want to see you Sunday. You know, I don't want you guys to get hurt. I don't want you guys to go to jail. I want you guys to.
Jay Dwyer, you said
I
you
do
want
it
to see us
peacefully.
Sunday. I'm going to see you Sunday.
I do
I'll
it
be here.
peacefully.
I'll be
but,
here.
I would do it.
He said it. Hey, y'all see him take the knee with us. Y'all seen him, Jay Dwyer take the knee with me.
How does that make you feel, bro?
That made me feel good, bro. Straight up, that's not a pig, my nigga. That's a cop. That's a well, respectful cop. He took a knee, he shook my hand and everything, nigga. There's other cops that be some assholes, and it's some of them. Some of y'all, only some of y'all. But yeah, man, he took a knee. That's respect, bro. That's respect.
Here's what we need.
You guys turn around.
Hold
Hold on. Hear him out.
You guys turn around. You guys go home. We go home.
Yeah. I want you guys to go home. If you guys go home,
turn around.
and we watch from the helicopter and everybody goes home, guess what? We're gonna go home. And we'll same bad time tomorrow.
Hey, so let's go. Let's go home.
And go tell everybody, hey,
Can you do me a favor?
we're throwing fireworks and bottles at us.
Looking, he's gonna get run over by a car. Can you get him up?